What is going on, guys? I have just got finished. I was trying to do it another way, but anyways, today we're gonna be talking about my brand new Python script. It's very cool because it has no limits. It's called TC.py. It's a Python script for unlimited text copying. And instructions is to copy a specified word other than text here. Make sure to edit the Python script using a text editor and type in the specified word by replacing text here. So it's pretty damn sweet. And you got Regulators by Warren G featuring no idea who it's by. I don't know who it's by. But anyways, I love the song. I got started on it by my dad. And yeah, so I grew up with a lot of rap, and I just like rap. I don't know, I didn't really grow up at the time that they came out, but I did grow up on listening to them. But anyways, we got the file right there. It's really cool, the awesome music, and the README. And this is the README right here. Anyways, guys, I will leave the link. You know how I did the link down in the description below. The GitHub link. Anyways, so peace out, guys.